So in line with our previous first impressions video, let's take out the Beta FPV Air75 Freestyle Edition and have our initial impressions of how this flies and what we think of this. Let's freaking go! Alright, maiden flight then with the Beta FPV Air75 Freestyle Edition. We love the Racing Edition, we adore the Champion Edition. What are we going to think about the Freestyle Edition? Well, let's get a few packs through it and find out. Initial impressions are very good. This is a 580 mAh Lava 2 from Beta FPV. Which is where the sweet spot of the Champion is. So it'll be interesting to see if it's a sweet spot of this one as well. And I've got a car coming, so I'm just going to have to move out of the way a second. This sun, I hate to complain about the sun as somebody that absolutely hates the winter and the cold, but this sun is proving to be a little bit troublesome. Yeah, another great drone from Beta FPV. Sorry, I was just concentrating on that. That's I was a little bit worried about how much down on power this would be, but actually didn't need to worry, did I? Oh, now have I set total mode? I don't think I have. No, walk of shame. Okay, so you can see we've now moved to the 480 mAh LIHV Lava 2. Now we did see, obviously when we checked the drone, the canopy is damaged in two places. So I did think that would be the end of our initial impressions video. However, as you can see, there's no vibrations on this camera at all, which really does surprise me. Let's get out of the way of this car, of course. But there is literally no vibrations on this camera at all. How fast is a tiny whoop? As fast as that. And I'm at half throttle. What am I at? 25%, 30% throttle. Wow. We stayed nice and low, so it wasn't in his mirrors. We didn't distract the driver. And the spotter could still see it before I turned around. It's so hard with that sun though. Like I said, as much as I don't want to complain about the sun, it's really difficult with it. Don't want to crash when there's a car there. I'm not going to do anything to the car, just don't want the humiliation. And the indignity of crashing in front of a car like that. Okay, the wind is picking up now. As you can see, the wind sort of just held us there then. Right, before we finish then with our initial impressions, we did do a sort of mighty flip before, but I don't think I've done it on this video. A bit slow. Oh, just saved it from getting stuck in the tree there. How well does the HD0 analog work when you fly behind yourself? I mean, it's not actually that bad, is it? Right, well, let's bring it back from our initial test and try not to hit the spotter in the balls like the other day. So, initial impressions then of the Beta FPV Air75 Mark II Freestyle Edition, and it was going to be a glowing review or a glowing initial impressions until we actually broke the canopy. But then I remembered it is like minus, well, it's about 0 here in the UK today, and despite the fact that you can actually see we've got blue skies for the first time in a long time, it is absolutely freezing here in the UK. So it hit concrete and it broke on concrete. It's one of those things. I'm not going to take a point off it for that. It flies really well, it's really smooth. It does lack the power of the other two, but then it's supposed to, that's what it's designed to be. But it's just as smooth, just as nice and just as enjoyable. But it's a different tool for a different job. If you want to see me and Boy Wonder FPV compare all three of them back to back and maybe even do a blind test, then let me know in the comments down below. But until next time, you've all been amazing. Peace. YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most. So watch it and let me know if they're right.